احنا الان في عيد الشمس الطبية.
ايوه.
وحنرحب بضيوفنا عمر محمد الزبيدي وعمر السقاف، ومعاه دكتور ضياء الرحمن، هو مسؤول المركز الصحي عيد الشمس الطبية، وهو يعطينا فكرة عامة. ويبدأ اللقاء بوجود الأخ عمر السقاف يسأل أسئلة، وإن شاء الله نبدأ اللقاء وياهم. هذه موقعها صناعية سكة رابعة. تمام؟ يلا سقاف تفضل، حياك الله.
حياك الله دكتور. السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
My name is Rahman. I am a clinical practitioner here and I am the responsible person for
Not only this clinic, we have responsibility of 3 clinics. Sun Branch and Diamond. So Sun Main, Sun Branch, Diamond. This is our managing line.
And actually, what you are seeing cases?
I am actually a general practitioner here. So I am receiving patients from throat cases or stomach cases, and this is an area for Hanaya.
Yes.
So most of the cases are lower back pain and some cases are from injuries.
Yes.
So we are receiving mixed cases, same as in some hospital emergencies.
How many cases you are doing?
Every day, on average, I'm receiving 50 patients. And these 50 patients, I'm receiving patients with foreign bodies in the eye
Yes.
and injuries on the hands and feet, and patients with throat infections, sinus problems, viral infections. Most of the patients are suffering from these upper respiratory tract infections. Some people are suffering from chronic skin infections. So as a whole, I'm receiving mixed type of patients.
Sometimes they become in the serious cases also.
Sometimes, not every time, we are receiving myocardial infarctions, in which layman says heart attack.
Yes.
So we are receiving these patients and regularly we are sending to the government hospitals. And while transferring the patients, one of our doctors accompanies, one of our nurses accompanies with the patients for the safe transfer.
How many long are you here?
I am here for the last 8 years.
8 years. So, and I'm also in charge of the 3 clinics here. It is a very good informational for us response to be الشمس الطبية. أنا also عمر شو عيادات عندك؟
عيادة الشمس هذه الرئيسية.
أيوه.
وعندك الفرع، عيادة الشمس فرع، هو دائما
هو المسؤول.
هو المسؤول يدير، هو يشوف التعامل مع الأطباء، هو اللي يشوف كيف العلاجات، متابعة الضمان، هل هو في شيء رفض ولا في دكاترة يمكن يعطون بعض التوقعات علاجات يساهمون في العلاجات، حتى يتابعهم في الأدوية اللي يعطيها، هل هو أدوية تغطي الضمان ولا ما تغطي الضمان. أحيانا لنا ضمان محدد المبالغ معينة لكل مريض، ما يقدر يتجاوز عن المبلغ هذا، فهو لابد يكون المبالغ هذه ما تطلع، المطالبات المالية ما تطلع المبلغ هذا. وهو الدكتور يعني مرة يقول لي معه يساعدهم في فهم آلية العمل هذه، بالذات من ناحية الإدارة. المجال الطبي كلهم يعني عارفين كيف يتعاملوا مع المجال الطبي، لكن المشكلة قوانين الهيئة وقوانين الضمان لابد أن كل واحد منهم يطلع عليها. اللي ما يعرف إلا الدكتور هذه رسالة، لأن طريقة المطالبات يعني لو احنا طلبنا الفحص هذا كم يكلف، طلبنا الدواء هذا كم يكلف، العلاج هذا كم يكلف، كلها كل علاج كل حركة لها كود نمبر ويمشي مع الكود، ولا كل كود هذا يعني يتوافق مع المطالبات. أيوه لابد الكود متوافق مع العلاج، إذا كود مختلف معناتها الفلوس ما تحصلها لأن أنت غلطت في الكود.
I'm originally from Pakistan, Peshawar.
One second, can you give me an idea about this policy and procedures of how we are following this all standards.
From the days one, we are following the policies as framed by the heart, and now we are also following the policies of the month. So each and every year we are updating our policies with the heart. The policy regarding the general practice, which are related to the doctors, and the policies related to the medical records keeping, policies regarding sterilization, as we are having one sterilization room also here, and policies with the registration of the patients, and apart from this, we are also maintaining policies for quality management of the our locality and the clinic premises, and for the safety of the patient. So every year we are updating it, and here in our clinic there are 2 persons who are responsible for updating these policies. So these are regularly checked, and alhamdulillah, in the last visit we got 98% correction
MashaAllah, MashaAllah,
from the heart.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. I hope all the success with you here. Doctor, can I ask you about the Siqa holders? Some cases
Some
also
cases
Siqa holders
we are
anywhere.
receiving, but not regularly.
Not regularly.
Some Tika patients are coming.
They are allowed here?
Yeah, they are allowed here because it's a clinic under the rules of
Rules
and law.
Yeah.
And we have a license to practice here. So Daman and Heart allowed us to check these patients.
Okay, doctor. I am very happy to see you here. We are from Prakash Group. It is a family group of our family.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let them give general idea about the clinic.
I know.
So he will pass doctor by doctor.
Okay.
Yeah, he take it.
This is our main entrance. This is our main entrance. This is the main door. When patient come inside, it comes first to the reception area. So Mr. Kadir is the receptionist responsible here for registration of the patient. Along with him, Ivy is the responsible person for registration and guidance of the patient. So patient is registered regularly over here with according to the rules of Daman and Heart. Consent is signed and the patient's signature is saved in the system. His 2 identification points are also registered along with it. So Kadir and Ivy are doing this work. So along with him is our messenger, the enthusiastic one, Sohail, Saiful Islam Sohail. So he's our marketing manager also.
MashaAllah.
And when patient is registered, according to his time, he comes to the procedure room. So this is our procedure room. Patient comes inside, and 2 nurses are working here. Both of them are recording the vital signs here. So each and every patient is asked to sit here. The temperature, blood pressure, weight and height are checked here. And it is recorded on a small paper with the patient ID number. So after that, the patient is transferred to the main hall, and according to his turn, he visits the doctor. So when the doctor writes some procedure like IV fluids or IM injections, or is there any dressing or change of dressing, so our senior nurse Josina is doing that here. So this is our procedure room. Along with her, our other nurse, CB, is also very efficient and doing her duty very regularly.
What is your name? How much? What happened?
Blade comes from
Some injuries.
So like this, we are receiving small cuts because this is the industrial area,
Yes.
and they are working on machines.
Yes, yes, yes.
So they are regularly come in contact with the machines. So like this, we are receiving 3-4 cases every day. मुश्किल नहीं
कैसे कटा है? ब्लेड से। क्या काम करते हैं?
साइन बोर्ड
वो अपने पास उधर वो जाके
Sir, Arif Khan.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What is your good name, sir?
My name is Mohammad Arif Khan.
And where are you from, sir?
I'm from Pakistan.
From Pakistan. And you here?
Thank you, sir.
We are from Bajaj Group. Just it is a family group. Family group. Just we know our practice clinic to explain in front of our group. Very thankful.
Welcome, sir. First of all, I see you.
What are you doing, sir, here?
Sorry, sir.
What are you doing here?
Sir, I'm working as a general practitioner here.
General practitioner.
Yeah, since April 2017.
17.
Yeah, almost 2 years are completing here. And we work with we take the patients like outdoor patients. Like we do only OPD here, and we treat here the patients. And if any patient we get, like if there is any problem, serious problem, then we refer
Refer to the
hospital specialist.
From how long you are in UAE, sir?
Sir, I'm in UAE for the last 2 years. This is the first time I'm working here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the first clinic and the first hospital I've worked here. Before that, I was in Pakistan,
Yes.
and so I have completed my post-graduation in internal medicine.
MashaAllah.
So I'm left with the exit exam. So if I pass it, then I will be a specialist.
How is going this clinic?
It's very good, sir.
How many patients you will see, sir, every day?
So we average we got 80 to 90 patients daily, and we have 3 general practitioners, so 30 and 30.
Your clinic is in industrial area.
Yeah, yeah.
About the labor injuries.
Yeah, we
How
mostly,
can you deal here? How kind of patients will come to you?
so mostly we get different type of patients.
Yeah.
Like mostly we get patients like patient with having backache, mostly backache,
Yeah.
with neck, like cervical neck
Yes.
pain,
Some injuries
small
also.
injuries, small injuries,
Small injuries.
yeah, small injuries.
Uh-huh.
So we go if we get a small injuries, then there are different type of injuries.
Yes.
Like we stitch them, and if there is a bigger injuries, then we send him to hospital. So
I am very thankful to you see here.
Thank you, sir.
To see here.
thank you so much, sir, for visiting.
Again, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. First of all, I am very glad to come to India.
So,
What's your name, sir?
I'm Bilal, Dr. Bilal.
Bilal.
Shortly we say Bilal, but it's Raja Bilal. So, Indian, so short form.
Okay, tell me what is the complete name?
It's Raja Bilal Masood.
Raja Bilal.
Raja being my family name, like caste, and Masood my family name, and Bilal is my national name.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Where are you from, doctor?
I'm from Pakistan.
How long you are here in Shams?
It's been more than a year now. Like I completed my first year in November 23rd, and the second year, of course, for the same day.
You are general
General practitioner. Yeah. Before this,
How
I
kind
have
of you are dealing with patients?
like the scope of a general practitioner is to manage the patients who come with the infectious diseases or the ailments which have been addressed by the specialist before and coming for the follow-up, and pediatrics, and like adult patients, and gynecology also to some extent, like initial review, and like these are the things which we really deal.
You are starting here, repeating you in this clinic or before you are what is
This is first job in UAE, but before this, I have worked in Pakistan, I have worked in Maldives, and then I came
Maldives
here.
also.
Yeah, Maldives also. There I had been for
How much you have
1 year.
experience? After completing your course, how much you have the experience?
It's been more than 5 years now.
5 years.
More than 5 years now. Majorly in Pakistan, and then this is the place which I have started, and I hope to go a long way.
I am very happy to meet you here.
So am I. I'm really glad I came here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much for coming.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.